I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm going to talk about, yes, Lacto Calamine. That's the most known thing in the whole earth, and this is only one thing that every person uses at least once or twice in their life. So I'm going to talk about this Lacto Calamine, and just because it's very beneficial and it's medically tested, so I don't need to give any review. I'll just show that how I use it. People are there who complain about that their skin feels very dry after using this Lacto Calamine, so I have come up with a very good result. So I'm going to talk about that. Even people with oily skin can use once or twice in a week. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'll shake the bottle like this, and I'll mix whole formula. Then I'll take little bit on my hand. Come out, baby, come out. Yes. Then I just took a little amount of Lacto Calamine on my hand. Then I'll drop 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E capsule. I'll mix the whole mixture well. Then it will look something like this, and then I'll apply it all over my face and neck. Okay guys, I have applied all over my face. I have little leftover hair, so I'll just rub this and I'll apply it on my neck like this, and I am done. Leave it for overnight or at least for 3 hours on your face, then wash it off and you will definitely get a very nice skin. You can repeat this. If you are from a dry skin family, then you can do this at least twice or thrice, more than that in a week. And if you are from oily skin family but still you are going to use it, then do not more than twice in a week. Not more than twice in a week, because it will leave your skin extra oily, because it has vitamin E capsule. And if you are from oily skin family, then if you not want to use any vitamin E capsule, then that is also fine. You can just skip that and apply the not vitamin E capsule, Lacto Calamine itself. And if you are using Lacto Calamine and you are from oily skin family and you are not using any vitamin E capsule, then you can use it every day. But if you are from dry skin, then go for vitamin E capsule with Lacto Calamine at least twice in a week. Okay, so this was my tips for you guys for both oily skin, dry skin, and men can also do this. It's not that women only can do this and men cannot. My all DIYs can go for men can do this without any hesitation. So guys, today I'll finish up my video here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video, share my video, comment on my video, and check the description box below, because all my social media links are given in the description box below. Follow me there, because I give my latest updates in my social media. So this is me, Vida, signing off. Bye bye.